Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Steven Aldacco. Thanks for being here today. So I imagine you're here because you might be bored. You're stuck inside during the quarantine. So I've got a couple activities which you can try at home that'll help keep your mind busy and even make you a little bit of money as you do it. All right, first tip, take a walk. Taking a walk is great for the mind, great for the soul. It's gonna let you get out of the house, and you just wanna make sure you keep your social distance 6 feet away from people who are not from your household to keep everybody safe. Go for a hike. If you're lucky enough to live close to some trailheads and you're still able to leave your home like we are in California, go for a hike. Go for a hike, but again, you want to do this mindfully. So if you need to stop at a gas station, maybe wear some latex gloves so you can protect yourself and protect others. I've been enjoying taking bike rides so much. It's been a lifesaver. Just the freedom you get while you're on two wheels is amazing, and you get to explore around a little bit while still staying in your local area more than you would on foot with a walk. So that's awesome. If you have a bike, get it ready so you can enjoy the outdoors a little bit. Do something creative. Maybe you like to draw or paint or woodworking, any of those activities that you can do. You can start a YouTube channel. If you're a consumer of YouTube, maybe it's something that you've always wanted to try, and this might be the perfect opportunity to give it a whirl. Work out from home. This has been so vital for me. I've been doing some online yoga workouts with some of my yoga friends and taking yoga from Yoga with Dream. She's a really famous YouTube yoga instructor, and it's been really good. I've actually created my own program, which you can check out. I'll leave a link down below, and you can work out with me, so you can check that out if you like. Today might have been one of the better days of the quarantine because a friend of mine organized a group motorcycle ride. That was awesome because there was so little people on the road. It's like we had the whole place to ourselves to just play and have fun. I'll put up some footage of the motorcycle ride. It was such an awesome time and such a beautiful ride. Check it out. The stock market has plummeted in the past few weeks because of this whole coronavirus deal and everything it's doing with the economy. On the plus side for that, if you're a new investor, this is the perfect time to learn to invest when the stocks are low and they're discounted. If you've never checked out Robinhood, I'll leave a link up here. It's a super easy platform to use. It's free to do trades. You can start with as little as $10 and start investing into some stocks. So if you want to make a little bit of extra side cash, Robinhood is a great option. If you use my link, you'll get a free stock. Staying connected with your friends during this time is super important for your mental health. So one tool I've been using very much recently is FaceTime. I've been able to chat with my friends. It's almost like they're right there with me. It's been really great. Another application I've been using is House Party. It's like FaceTime with a bunch of other people, and you can also play games. So you can check out House Party on the App Store. And lastly, read a book. I know it's so easy just to turn on Netflix, and there's nothing wrong with that. But maybe you can use this time to learn about something that you're interested in. Sometimes sitting down and reading a book is a little bit difficult for some, like myself. I try to mix it up. So I do a little bit of audiobooks, and I do just regular good old-fashioned books through Kindle. If I listen to audiobooks, I'm using Audible, and they actually offer a free book for your first time if you sign up for Audible, so I'll leave a link in the description for that. I hope this video gives you some ideas of things you can do at home if you're bored, to help occupy your mind, to help you stay fit, and maybe even make some money. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy out there. Thank you so much for checking out today's episode. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.